Welcome student to my online classes for the 12th class student of MP board. Students, we have completed our exercise related to the textbook of Spectrum English. Now we are doing the exercise related to the chapter 2 from workbook. I think you are ready for the exercise. So let's begin our topic. The chapter 2 is a friend who came from the sky. In the first, we have to improve our word power. So here is the exercise A. What other things do you think could be described by each verb beside those given here? Use a dictionary if necessary. अगर आवश्यकता हो तो आप लोग इसमें डिक्शनरी का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. But I have completed this to make it easy for you, so you can make a screenshot of that and do it in your fair notebook. The answers are the wings, flag, a child, a film, a boat. I think it is clear. The next is B. Match the words with their related motion. How the word motions are called. What the words motions are called. So here we match the column. Birds. Birds flies. Cock struts. Crow, owl, sparrow flits. Duck waddles. Eagle swoops. I think you have understand it clearly. These are the motions of the birds. So if you are confused here, look in the answer sheet section. I have matched like this, and you have to do it in your fair notebook. Next one is multiple choice answer. You have to choose one correct answer. So here first is Minnie's mother asked her to go inside because. मिनी की माँ उसे अंदर जाने के लिए क्यों कहती है? The weather was windy, क्योंकि तेज हवा चल रही थी. It was likely to start raining, लगभग बरसात शुरू होने वाली थी, बारिश शुरू होने वाली थी. She didn't want her to get wet, वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो भीग जाए. She didn't want her to watch the children playing, वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो बच्चों को खेलते हुए देखे. I think माँ चाहती थी कि बच्चा गीला ना हो, मिनी गीली ना हो. She didn't want her to get wet is the right answer. But here we find the weather was windy is also as right, and it is likely to start is raining is also appeared correct. But she didn't want her to get wet is the right one. Second, a person who has no control over his hand and legs from birth is called. एक व्यक्ति जिसका बचपन से अपने हाथ और पैरों पर नियंत्रण ना हो, इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? अ पैरालिटिक, लकवाग्रस्त, अ डिसेबल्ड, अपंग, एन इंसेन, अ स्पास्टिक. According to our textbook, we have read it. A spastic, a person who has no control over his hand and legs from birth. So right answer is a spastic. Minnie's favorite pastime was. मिनी का समय बिताने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या था? To watch the children in the park, to watch the children in their play, to make fun with her friend, to enjoy her own solitude. You know it. To watch the children in the park was the Minnie's favorite pastime. So the first one is the right. Go to the next. Look at here. You can take the screenshot of this and do it in your fair notebook. The next one is Dash fed the duck with an ink filler. I think all of you know. And dash has been described as the avian friend. आसमान से आए हुए दोस्त की संज्ञा किसको दी गई है? The duck. Now I have make a slide which help you to write in fair notebook. That is this: Minnie herself and the duck. Next one is right or wrong. Minnie could not walk or button up her shirt, but she could brush her teeth herself. This is right. मिनी चल फिर तो नहीं सकती थी और ना ही बटन लगा सकती थी, परंतु उसने ब्रश करना सीख लिया था. द चिल्ड्रन स्टॉप देयर गेम बिकॉज इट स्टार्टेड टू रेन हैवली. बच्चों ने अपना खेल इसलिए बंद कर दिया क्योंकि बहुत तेज बारिश होने लगी थी. तो आपको मालूम है कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. जब बच्चों को एक अलग बॉल दिखी तब उन्होंने अपना खेल रोका. सो दिस इज द रॉन्ग. मिनी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग मित्रा टू वेक हर अप एट नाइट. मिनी को आशा थी कि लगभग रात में मित्र उसे जरूर जगाएगा, परंतु ऐसा हुआ नहीं. बट उसे आशा तो थी, इसलिए दिस इज द राइट वन. द चिल्ड्रन वर एक्साइटेड टू सी द डक बीइंग फीड बाय एन एंगफिलर. दिस इज आल्सो रॉन्ग. मित्रा द डक फ्लू बाय हिमसेल्फ एंड डिपार्टेड. मित्रा स्वयं ही उड़ करके चला गया. यह भी गलत था. बच्चे लोग सब लोग उसको विदाई करने ले गए थे. दे सेलिब्रेटेड इट्स एज ए फेयरवेल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, fill in the blanks. Here we have to use the determiners. So first one is, how dash milk do you buy daily? We can write it, how much milk do you buy daily? I have already spent the few rupees I had. The book you want is not with me. Have you any complaint against me? It is the interrogative or negative. We should use any. The more one has, the more one want. जितना है उससे ज़्यादा हर कोई चाहता है. My brother is very intelligent. The grapes are sweet and juicy. Are there any girls in the girls' class? Sorry, here girls is written wrong. You have to write it this class. This THIS will be the right answer. Would you like to have a pen or pencil? The rays of the sun fall on the flower. So in the 8th you have to correct it girls. Here girls is not right. Here you have to write this. Okay. So before doing in your fair notebook, you have to correct it. You have to change the place of girls to this. Okay. Now we have to again complete fill in the we have to again fill the blank by given words: several days, every Sunday, that book, for a week, some money, who speaks, few words. Okay, let's start. Will you stay here for a week? I don't think that there is anything. I gave her some money. He gave me that books. He come to my house every Sunday. Happy is the man who speak the few words. जो कम बोलता है वो वैसे ही प्रसन्न रहता है. The solution of this problem will take several days. इस समस्या को हल होने में कई दिन लगेंगे. I think you have also filled the blanks. So the next stage. Here the words are disarranged and we have to arrange it in their right way. Her pen, put ink, some, see, in. What should be the answer? The answer will be she put some ink in her pen. You say in what no truth is there. Second. Answer is there is no truth in what you say. social work for time, spare some you can't spare some time for social work. You have money any left box in your have you any money left in your box? Little there is success hope of it. There is little hope for his success. Work much yet to be done is. Much work is to be done yet. The whistle blows there any danger is if. If there is any danger, the whistle blows. 5 of land acres, no less than he had. He has no less than 5 acres of land. From the shop he didn't anything. He didn't buy anything from the shop. He hardly any money had. He has hardly any money. I think all these has been complete. Now go to the next. Here is the passage given in the book. I hope all the students want to read it. Let's start the reading. The world's highest waterfall is situated in eastern Venezuela in South America. दक्षिण अमेरिका के पूर्वी क्षेत्र वेनेजुएला में संसार का सबसे ऊंचा झरना स्थित है. इट इज नॉन एज द एंजल फॉल. इसका नाम एंजल फॉल है. इट हैज बीन नेम्ड आफ्टर जिमी एंजल, an aviator who discovered it in 1935 while on a flying mission. यह जिमी एंजल के नाम के आधार पर रखा गया है. जिमी एंजल ने इसकी खोज एक उड़ान के दौरान सन 1935 में की थी. One has to travel by air past mist-covered cliff and tall canyons to get a glimpse of the fall and hurtle down from the side of Ayu टापू. अगर किसी को इस स्थान पर पहुंचना है तो वह उड़ान भरते हुए दरारों और बड़े बड़े दरारों से होते हुए इस झरने की एक झलक पा सकता है. द फ्लैग टॉप्ड सियर साइड क्लिफ्स राइजिंग अबव द डीप फॉरेस्ट ऑफ वेनेजुएला आर कॉल्ड टेपू. टेपू किसे कहते हैं कि वह हिस्सा जो चारों ओर से दरारों और इससे घिरा हो और ऊपर का हिस्सा फ्लैट टॉप हो. मैनी मिलेनिया ऑफ इरोजन हैज डग आउट द ह्यूज सेरेविक्स एंड फिशर्स ऑन द आयु टापू फ्लैट टॉप विच ट्रैप द हैवी ट्रॉपिकल रेनफॉल. बहुत घनघोर बारिश में कई वर्षों तक मिट्टी के कटाव के कारण यहाँ पर बड़े बड़े दर्रे बन गए हैं. दिस वाटर फ्लोज अंडर द सरफेस ऑफ द टेपू एंड बस्ट थ्रू द फिशर्स इन द क्लिप्स एंशिएंट सैंडस्टोन अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 200 फीट ब्लू द रिम ऑफ द आयु टेपू. यह लगभग 200 फीट ऊपर से नीचे गिरती है कई दर्रे और पहाड़ियों से होते हुए. It falls into a large pool called the Angel Canyon at the cliff's foot, which drains into the Churu River, a tributary of the Caroni River. और यह झरना कैनियन के नीचे गिरती है जहां पर यह चूरू रिवर में जाकर के मिलती है. और चूरू रिवर क्या है? करोनी रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरी, सहायक नदी. करोनी नदी के सहायक नदी चूरू रिवर को जाकर के मिलती है यह झरना. एट द बॉटम द फॉल डिसअपियर्ड इनटू द फाइन मिस्ट गिविंग अ फीदर टच टू द रॉक्स द बॉटम. और नीचे गहराई पे देखने पर आपको ऐसा सफ़ेद धुंध महसूस होगा जो कि बड़ा ही मनोहारी होता है. इट हैटल डाउन फ्रॉम ए हाइट ऑफ 960 मीटर which is 16 times more than the height of the famous Niagara Falls and provided a truly breathtaking view. और जब 960 मीटर ऊंचाई से गिरने वाला झरना जो कि नियाग्रा से लगभग 16 गुना बड़ा है, निश्चित तौर पर इसको देखने का जो आनंद है वह श्वासरोधी है। I think you have clearly understand the meaning of this passage, and now let's start the question answer related to this passage. First is match the column. These are the words and B side have the meaning of there. So we have to match the A to correct meaning of the B. Cliff. Cliff is a high area of land with a very steep side. Canyon. Canyon is a deep crack in rocks or in the ground. Cervix, a narrow valley with very steep side. Fissure, a narrow cracks or gap in rock or between large stone. Tributary, a stream or river that flows into a large river. I think these are the meanings, and if you want to understand it in Hindi, you have to use the dictionary. I think you should use dictionary. Go to the next. Here, second question is, which is the world's highest waterfall and where is it? संसार का सबसे ऊंचा झरना कौन सा है? According to this passage, we have read it. The world's highest waterfall is Angel Falls. It is situated in eastern Venezuela in South America. How can one reach there to have a look at this great waterfall? To reach it, the Angel Fall, one has to travel by air. यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए हमें आकाश मार्ग का प्रयोग करना पड़ेगा. What has caused the huge ceramic and fissures on Ayu Tapu flat top? बड़े बड़े दर्रे बनने का क्या कारण है? Many millennia of erosion has caused the huge ceramics and fissures on Ayu Tapu flat top. कई वर्षों के लगातार पानी गिरने से जो मिट्टी का कटाव हुआ है उसी के कारण यहाँ पर बहुत बड़े बड़े दरार पड़ चुके हैं. What is the Angel Canyon and what is the Chugru River? The Angel Canyon is a large pool at the cliff's foot. Chugru River is a tributary of the Caroni River. Angel Canyon क्या है? एक बहुत बड़ा तालाब जैसा स्थान है जो कि बिल्कुल नीचे बना हुआ है और यह चुगरू रिवर से मिलता है जो कि करोनी रिवर की सहायक नदी है. What gives a feather touch to the rocks at the bottom? At the bottom, the falls disperse into the fine mist, giving feather touch to the rocks. नीचे गिर करके पानी बिल्कुल सफ़ेद धुंध हो जाता है, ऐसा लगता है जैसे बर्फ उड़ रही हो और बहुत ही प्यारा मनोहारी दृश्य उत्पन्न होता है. The next ones are, how is the waterfall compared to the Niagara Fall? It settled down from a height of 960 meters, with 16 times more than the height of Niagara Fall. नियाग्रा फॉल की तुलना में यह वाटरफॉल कैसा है? तो ये तो स्पष्ट है कि लगभग 960 मीटर ऊंचाई से गिरता है जो कि नियाग्रा फॉल से 16 गुना ऊंचा है. तो इसका दृश्य बड़ा ही मनोहारी है. What do you understand by the truly breathtaking view? Explain. A truly breathtaking view means that we feel a great wonder to see the view. Breathtaking means when we surprised. That means that is something surprising, that is wonderful. So we feel here a wonder. The view is saying breathtaking. Give a suitable title to the passage. The best waterfall of the world is the suitable title for this passage. I think question answer have been complete. Thanks for the watching this video. I am Shiv Kumar Jharia, उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षक, गर्ल्स हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल बगराजी, ब्लॉक कुंडम, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जबलपुर. Thank you for watching this.